Just give me a picture, and Gemini AI will create amazing 3D figures. Don't believe me? Check it out. Everyone will teach you how to make a picture like this, but I will teach you how to make this picture real, like, if you want to learn, watch the video until the end without skipping. So this is an example of a 3D figuring product, which was created with Gemini AI. Of course, this picture is not real, but the people in the picture are probably real. And basically, if you want, you can upload your own picture, family picture, or group picture, and then tell Gemini to turn the people in the picture into such 3D figure characters in a few seconds. These are some examples that I have made. Now I'm going to show you how to do this, and also show you some different variations. First, let's go to gemini.google.com. Here, you can click a button and select a file from your device. But in this case, I'm going to use this image. I'm going to copy it and now paste it into the Gemini chat text box. Now, here's the prompt that you can try. This is the original prompt, which was actually provided by Google, and a lot of people are using it. So you can rely on this prompt to make those kinds of images. But I've also made some different variations. For example, one is the artisan variation. Another is the retro variation. For example, this is an example of an artisan variation. I think it's quite unique. Another is the retro variation, which reminds you of the 80s or 90s. The hardware in the background, the lighting, everything is quite different. But in this case, we'll just use the original version. I'll copy and paste it into Gemini, then click on Tools and click on Create Images. Now just send the message and wait for Gemini to transform this person, this character, into a 3D figure-like style. Usually the image is created within 10 to 20 seconds. Creating images with Gemini is infinitely faster than ChatGPT, and the results have been amazing so far. Now we have this image. So let's try that prompt now. I'll just copy and paste the prompt and give it another image. Then I'll go back to Tools and click on Create Images and send a message. And look, it usually creates the image according to the aspect ratio of the original image. So if you give it a vertical image, you'll probably get a vertical image back. So think about the aspect ratio before creating the image. So this is the retro version of the image. I think it's quite unique. It's definitely a little different, but it still maintains the structure of the original prompt. Now, let's see how to make this image more attractive like me. First, we will go to any Google Chrome browser. Then we will search for Image Video Generator. Then, this is the website that came to us first. We will enter this website. Then an interface like this will come right in front of us. We will log in with our Gmail. Then this will come with us, so we will generate video here so that we can create a video from the image. We will click on Generate Video. Then we will have an option like this here where we can make 5 seconds and 8 seconds videos. So we will make an 8 seconds video and make it 9:16 size since we're making this for our real video. Then, after clicking on this image option, we will upload our image here and we will press this form given to us here. Then we will click on the Create button next to it. Then our video will be created automatically. You can see how beautiful our video has been created. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have a nice day.